You have an overview in your admin dashboard, which is this area here, which will give you recent orders, an overview of visitors, leads, site signups and course enrolments. It will also give you a live stream of activity here. It's set as standard to the last 30 days. By clicking this button here, you can change this to anything that you wish, including last year, all time, or a custom range. This is an example of all time, as you can see, 122 visitors, one signed site, one course enrolment. Use this as a guide to see what's been happening if you are running a promotion or you are promoting your site and you want a quick snapshot view of what is happening in regards to your Zenler site.